This week we head into Zambia's wheat market, where the 2026 import campaign has officially kicked off, and early signs point to a potentially record-breaking planting season ahead. With policy changes, rising imports, and strong production conditions, what does this mean for prices and market dynamics in the months ahead? Let's unpack the latest developments. This episode is made possible by Collateral Management International and Zamatic Irrigation Systems. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. Grain prices in Lusaka, Zambia traded as follows. Maize on $352, wheat on $500, soybeans on $530, and soy meal on $500 per metric ton. Before we start with this week's episode, I know a lot of you aren't subscribed or following us yet on our YouTube channel. Can you please double check? It'll help us a lot in growing this channel and keep bringing you these insights. So thank you for your support.
Welcome viewers. This week we look at the Zambia wheat market, where the 2026 import campaign commenced, and talk of potential record plantings for the crop to plant from May and harvest from mid-September. Let's recap the S&D picture. The 2025-26 year S&D forecast runs from September 2025 to August 2026 and includes the crop that harvested late 2025. Most production forecasts in the region of 300,000 tons. Estimates the Zambia local market consumes in the region of 280 to 300,000 tons of wheat annually, while around 200,000 tons of wheat are usually exported to the southern DRC in the form of wheat flour. Carry-in stocks expected to be small, therefore, the Zambian 2025-26 year import need likely to be at least 200,000 tons and should be imported from now until the end of August. Government late February removed the import duty and surcharge on wheat imports until the end of August. Although imported wheat is already arriving duty-free, government is yet to gazette the statutory instrument. The private sector agreed on 300,000 tons of imports for 2026, which government endorsed. Government released a list indicating allowed import volumes per miller. Only millers got allocations, traders did not. We expect around 200,000 tons will be imported. One could ask the question if millers might contemplate importing the remaining 100,000 tons if international prices are competitive enough, which could impact local new crop prices when the harvest commences in September. Both South African and Australian wheat starting to arrive in Zambia. By removing the import duty, government ensured Zambian wheat flour remains competitively priced in the southern DRC when compared to the major other supplier, namely Tanzania, who has a 10% import duty. The next question is how this can impact price trends short-medium term. This graph indicates the price history of wheat in Lusaka. Current price at $500 a ton, down from $550 a ton end of February. This is in line with the African import parity. Import parity Australian origin now $490 a ton, see the blue line, and Black Sea $460 a ton, see the red line. The conflict in the Middle East likely to see logistical costs increase and therefore also import parity. General view, Zambia wheat prices unlikely to dip much below $500 a ton short term. Outlook for the next crop to plant from May extremely favorable. The market expects record plantings. Irrigation dams already full and good rains continue. Not only is this good for dam fill, it is also beneficial for hydroelectricity generation. At this stage, no significant load shedding expected for the rest of the year. Almost the entire crop is produced under irrigation. It is early days, but already talk the crop could exceed 400,000 tons. Next week, we will discuss the Tanzania maize market with a healthy supply outlook and limited export opportunities. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Don't miss the Zematic offer. Special promotional pricing on Zematic's 9500P and 7500P pivots with complete pivot, pump house and pipeline system options available. Financing through Standard Bank makes it easier than ever to invest in quality that lasts for years. Speak to your nearest Lindsay dealer today or call 021 986 8900 for more information. Terms and conditions apply. If you want deeper insights into Africa's soft commodity markets, contact Jacques today and get access to Commodity Insight Africa's full weekly report. This episode was made possible by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems. Thanks for joining us. Until next week.